Oh, greaser. You know it's greasy when you hit your ass on the ground. Oh, butter. You're a good pilot.
As long as you're on the runway, you're fine. No problem at
all. What a greaser. Big stouty gear.
Right there. Oh, let it. Oh, Mac, yeah, okay.
Brakes.
Yeah, brakes.
He got them, there they are. Hey!
You ready?
Woo! Don't need no stinking gyro. This thing flies fantastic. Butter. Oh, look at the lights.
If nobody else is landing, I'm going to do it.
Look at that. Look at that wheelie. He's going to do it the whole dang length of the runway. Oh, God, look at it in this. Oh, butter the bread.
Get ready for your downwind run.
Oh.
All right, go high and go left to right.
Butter the bread. %90 of all airplanes are tore up by hitting the ground.
Whoa.
So you always have to film that part.
Going around over on the ground.
Butter the bread, guys. Oh, man. Remember, guys, more airplanes are tore up on landing. Oh, how can you not love an A-10 though? Look at that. Oh. Oh no. Oh, what a greaser.
That's why I came to get all this stuff kind of. You can't dial in, it's 12 degrees.
Oh. Look at that squeaker! Holy cow, that couldn't have got any better if he tried.
So you have to go very nice flat. On the roadway.
That's right. Oh, didn't even hear it. Wasn't even a squeak.
Got it all.
He did such a wheelie, he dragged the ass on it. I mean, I didn't say that word.